Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Our recent stay at Kempinski Hotel Muscat was nothing short of exceptional. From the moment of check-in to the final farewell, the service was impeccable, leaving a lasting impression. We were dropped off to our room by the lovely receptionist who kindly gave us a tour of the whole resort and made us aware of the amenities that were included in our stay. The room itself was a tasteful blend of comfort and elegance, providing a serene sanctuary throughout our stay. What truly stood out were the hotel's amenities, which enhanced the overall experience, whether lounging by the pool, which is heated by the way, or enjoying the beach. The complimentary bottled cold water provided a refreshing touch, ensuring guests stayed hydrated and comfortable at all times. The staff's attentiveness and willingness to cater to every need further elevated the experience, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that made us feel right at home. Additionally, we took advantage of the lovely breakfast every single morning. The on-site dining options offered a diverse menu of delectable dishes. My husband and we personally love the fun, casual bowling venue. Although the bowling sessions aren't complimentary, but they were not expensive in our opinion. You can either pay for the whole hour or you can pay per game. We wholeheartedly recommend Kempinski Hotel Muscat for those seeking a luxurious and enjoyable stay, considering it is #1 on Tripadvisor, and it is quite clear to see why that is. It is a walking distance to a Muj Marina and all of the high-end restaurants. With its exceptional service, tastefully appointed rooms, it is truly a haven of relaxation and indulgence in the heart of Muscat. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye!